Hi and welcome to this tutorial video. Today I'm going to introduce this tutorial here. This is a 4-point bending test of a composite beam, aluminium beam with timber here, and we use connection a screw as a beam element between the aluminium and the uh, timber. For the timber, we use elastic plastic model with yield potential criterion to consider the yield criterion of the wood in the tension and in the compression zone. And for the aluminum elastic plastic model, we can add also ductile damage for that, both in static and dynamic analysis. And here, this is the schematic of the model. Then you can see here the von Mises contour stress, but important thing here, see this connection here are failed. Why? Because of the deformation. Means the screw are failed. And then we have here the yield potential. See at the connection zone, failure happen here. Also at the load location, that's okay. But if you see, these are the connection area. And then we have Mises stress for this. For this, we have ductile damage. Ductile damage happen about 10% at the middle load locations. And then force displacement diagram for this composite beam, it is about 120 kilonewton. For this here, this is the maximum. And then we have plastic strain. And to prove that our model is a quasi-static model, you can see the kinematic energy and the internal energy. Okay, if you need this tutorial, come to our website here, abacusfm.com. Find the model here, click on title. If you can't find it, search it here in the search section of the website to find the tutorial. Then click on the title. Here we have the introduction, assembly, definition of the 4-point bending test of a composite beam, then the uh, mm, the spacing modeling, like three-dimensional model for aluminium timber. Timber is solid, aluminium is shell, numerical method, then the result that we obtained from this model. And at the end, the project file includes CAE, INP, a paper, a step-by-step video. The price is 30 euros, and we accept all the payment method, PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, or uh, cryptocurrencies. And before anything, contact us through this email to tell you more about payment process, tutorial content, or anything that you know. For now, thank you for your attention.